Hey there, Coach Michael Burt at my house in Tennessee, and I want to ask you a question. What do you do with your weekends? What do you do with your weekends? Because, I just wrote this book, Inside the Mind of a Monster Producer, and it really is the mindset, habits, actions of big time people. And I tell people it's my toughness book because it's a book about the emotional toughness it takes to go inside the mind of a big time person. So what do you do with your weekends? Friday night I spend with my family because I've been on the road all week. Saturday I spend with my daughter because I've been on the road all week, but I'm listening. Even when I'm with my daughter, I'm listening. I'm listening to Robert Greene on his new book on human nature, and I'm studying mastery. And tonight we're interviewing a potential person to join our company. And my wife's going to be involved in that. Tomorrow I'm getting my faith fed by going to church. I'm spending some time preparing for the week. So what are you doing on the weekends? You can take a break, rejuvenate, but still be churning. And what I mean by that, still be learning, still be growing, still be getting better, still be thinking, still be marinating. So I remember a time in my life that, especially from 20 to 30, man, I went hard through the week coaching basketball, and I just literally went wild on the weekends. And I just blew off all of that steam. And, life's different for me today. I got big goals, I got big dreams, I got big ambitions. I need to be on my A game. I need to be getting better every week. I need to be getting better every day. I need to be studying. I need to be thinking. I need to be bringing better people on board with me. That's so my weekends have changed. So what are you doing with your weekends, man? Who are you associating with? And how much time are you spending? And what are they bringing to the table? And are you rejuvenating all parts of your nature, your body, your mind, your heart, and your spirit? The word rejuvenate means to make young again. So my weekends have changed significantly from 20 to 30. And now I'm more serious than ever about my bigger future and how we're going to get it. Look at that wild child running through here.